Hi friends, welcome back. After a long time, I'm doing a video in this channel because I was quite busy creating newsletters and growing them and of course selling them and making money. So I didn't have much time to create videos, but the good news is I'm going to start creating content again. So you will get a lot of value from these videos so I can teach you about newsletter business. And today I wanted to do this video. I wanted to give you an update on my portfolio. Recently I bought another newsletter. For the time being, I'm going to blur this newsletter name. In future videos I will show you the newsletter. For now I'm showing you the dashboard of this newsletter. You can see I have around 5,000 subscribers and I have 46% open rate, but the click rate is very low, 2.5%. So I will show you how I grow this newsletter, especially how I increase the click rate. I will change the time duration. Let's see all time. You can see all time open rate is 55 and click rate is 4%. It's still quite low. So the original owner of this newsletter wanted to sell this newsletter and I was glad to buy this one because it has high open rate. Of course I can increase the click rate because I know how or I know this industry and I know in and out of this industry, so I can make this newsletter a great newsletter. Most probably a newsletter which can earn around $20,000 per month within 8 months or 1 year period. Without between the 8 to 12 month period, I can increase this newsletter, earn around $20,000 per month. That's my goal actually. Let's see last 7-day analytics. You can see still is very low. 4 weeks. Okay, I'll show you in future videos how I'm going to grow this newsletter. And I wanted to show you my newsletter for this channel. I will put the link of this newsletter in the description and in the pinned comment, so you can visit and see the newsletter. You can get a lot of knowledge from this newsletter. Here I will show you my last post. The topic was what Mr. Beast can teach you about building a killer newsletter. This knowledge, these contents are very powerful, so you should read this newsletter. I am spending a lot of time creating these newsletters, so you will get a lot of knowledge. So don't miss this chance. This is a free educational content. This is about how to build a newsletter that runs itself, right, while you sleep. This is the best thing, right? This is the thing you should practice. This is the passive income stream. This is a passive income. This is a way you can earn money while you sleep. So make sure you read this newsletter. Let's check another one like this: the 10 million ugly website strategy. Right, why simple sales? This is very important. No need to make things complicated, or you don't need complicated things. A simple website, a simple newsletter can easily earn $10,000 per month. That should be your goal. You can earn $10,000 per month within 6 months of creating your newsletter. I will show you everything in this channel, so please subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up, and please make a comment on the comment section what kind of content you need. A lot of comments was there that they want to know how to create a Stripe account in India or in any other country. That's not my expertise, right? My expertise in this newsletter field. So if you ask any question on newsletter field, how to grow your newsletter or anything right, related to newsletter, I will teach you. I will reply you, and you can contact me via Instagram. I'll put the Instagram link in the description also. So until next time, bye bye.